Hey guys, Casey here, and I'm playing a zombie game called This. You see on the title. And we're gonna play the game already. And tap to make them shoot the monsters. Okay, I'll play that game later. Okay, let's play, guys. Here.
Your job is to take out 30 enemy units.
Oh, can I shoot these guys? They're like Spider-Man. Die, 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 die! You know what? Switch. Oh, no, this is gonna take forever. Uh-oh. How did they even...
Airstrike ready, sir.
Guys, how many zombies are there? Hey, Richard Apple. Sorry, Little Apple. Hey, Little Apple. If you're watching this is a zombie game, and if you want to play it, you see the title. You guys got a lot of kicks. Man, I'm never gonna win this. No, I forgot to get that was so awesome. That would be so awesome if I got up there. So guys, I'm gonna end this video now.